To access the air conditioner filter, first of all, disconnect the glove compartment travel limiter by pressing it from below. Then press both plastic springs at the same time and open the glove compartment completely. Then, in the same way, open the air conditioner filter cover. When installing a new filter, pay attention to the airflow direction arrows. They should be pointing down. Raise the glove compartment until it clicks and fix the limiter by pressing it down. Good luck to everyone. Subscribe to my channel.